Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law probate attorney. Today's topic, I was contacted by a prospective client that owns a co-op. Now, he's owned this co-op for like more than 30 years. When he purchased it with his mother as a 50% owner. This individual and his mother, 50-50. The mother has since passed away. They were not joint tenants. What that means is, and this gentleman has 6 siblings, the mother's 50% and there's no will. And the mother was single when she passed away, right? So that's, believe it or not, as specific as I'm getting. It's a very common fact pattern, right? A mother that's a widow purchases something with one of their adult children. There are multiple siblings. The 50% owned by the mother, right? 100% of what she owns goes to the 6 children, 1/6 each. So what do we do about this? Really, what has to happen is that any one of the siblings, any one of the children of the deceased person can petition to become the administrator of the estate. Only then will that family have the permission to sell or transfer the co-op. It could be a piece of real property, it could be a co-op, but that's what has to happen. The property is frozen, at least the 50% is frozen in the name of the mother. So before you can do anything, sell, transfer, I don't know what else you would do with the property, mortgage it, that's another one. Thought of it. One of the siblings, one of the children of the decedent has to become the administrator of the estate. It would be a similar process if the mother had a will. The executor would have to get permission of the court to sell or transfer that property. The only difference is that a will may have given it to only one of the children or a charity, but it would still require the executor to go to the court, the surrogate's court, to secure permission, the authority to act on behalf of the estate. That would be step 1. If you have a similar situation, please reach out to me. I can help. This is exactly the type of situation that my office handles. Reach out to us. frankbrunolaw.com.